Are you ready to heat things up? Then get ready for an irresistible fiery delight: spicy mango habanero chicken wings. These wings will take your taste buds on a wild ride that you won't forget. First, let's gather our ingredients: fresh chicken wings, ripe mangoes, habanero peppers, garlic, soy sauce, lime juice, and a touch of honey. Now, it's time to prepare our marinade. In a blender, combine the juicy mangoes, fiery habanero peppers, minced garlic, soy sauce, a squeeze of zesty lime juice, and a drizzle of sweet honey. Blend until smooth and pour into a bowl. Next, grab your chicken wings and generously dunk them into the flavorful marinade. Make sure each wing is coated with this tantalizing mixture. Let them bathe in the marinade for at least an hour, allowing the flavors to seep into every nook and cranny. Once marinated, it's time to cook these bad boys. Grill or bake the wings until they're golden and crispy on the outside, yet juicy and tender on the inside. You may need to resist the temptation to devour them right away. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, the taste test. Take a bite into these spicy mango habanero chicken wings and be prepared for an explosion of flavors. The sweet and tangy mango perfectly balances the fiery habanero kick, creating a harmonious symphony of taste. But beware, this flavor experience comes with a warning: it's addictive. Once you've had a taste, you'll find yourself craving these wings time and time again. They're perfect for game nights, parties, or any occasion where you want to spice things up and wow your guests. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your apron and get ready to take your taste buds for a wild ride with our spicy mango habanero chicken wings recipe. It's guaranteed to bring the heat to any gathering. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more mouthwatering recipes.